Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. I've got my Massey Ferguson 35 hay rake hooked up to the TYM 4815, and we're going to rake some hay. And it's already hot, humid, so I'm up here in the shade. Here's my 4815. First time using it in the hay field, and here's my old Massey 35 hay rake right here. So I've got everything greased up and oiled and ready to go, and aired up. Had to air the tires up. I did notice I'm missing a few teeth. I might have to do a little work on this winter. So it really needs a good pressure wash and a good clean up and everything. So all right, and I've got this pulled up because this jack is the bolts have come out of it. So I kind of got this rigged up just for today. It's about I've been taking the hammer and trying to knock it up where it would be out of the way. All right, so I'm gonna get rigged up. We'll go rake some hay. And basically, when we rake hay, we put it in a it's called a windrow. It's like a row of hay. Then makes it so you can take your baler through there. So we ain't got very much. Hopefully, it won't take that long. So we'll go hit it. Okay, so I got it done. It took me about, took a little longer than it did cutting. Always seems like it does. It took about, I don't know, an hour and a half. I didn't really go that fast. This thing rides like a wagon, this little short wheelbase TYM. That's one thing I don't like about it, is the ride. So, but the hay baler did okay. I mean, the hay rake did okay. Probably gonna have about, I don't know, 50, 75 bales, and that's all I need. So it raked up really well. It smells good. I love the smell of fresh raked hay. So I guess the next step will be baling, and everything's went pretty good till now. So that'd be the big thing, because there's a lot of moving parts on that thing, and it's seems like I looked it up, and it's a 62 model. It's a 24T, and I'm a 63 model, so I know how it feels. We'll have to gentle it through there, and I don't run it real hard, so even if it takes a little longer, it's all right. All right, so if you have any questions, leave a comment. I appreciate everybody watching. 35 Massey Ferguson 35 hay rake did really good. I like it quite a bit. It's one of my favorite hay rakes. I've had several. So we'll talk about that in another video. Appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here baling hay in the next video.